here, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you a Filipino pork stew called Menudo. For my Menudo recipe, you will need the juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of annatto powder, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You need 4 hot dogs cut on the diagonal, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 medium onion diced, 1 cup of carrots diced, 1 cup of potatoes diced, 1 sweet bell pepper, 1/3 cup of raisins, 6 bay leaves, 1 cup of garbanzo beans, 2 cups of water, 2 pounds of pork cut into about 1-inch pieces, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 can of tomato paste, which is 6 ounces. You will need salt and pepper to taste, and you will also need oil for frying. To start my recipe, I am going to turn a large pot onto medium heat, and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of oil into the pot. Now that my oil is warmed up, I am going to put my annatto sauce into the oil, and I'm going to cook this for about 30 seconds. Now that I've mixed my annatto powder well in my oil, I'm going to add my onions and my garlic into the oil. And I'm going to saute this for about 1.5 minutes. Now that my onions have slightly softened, I will add my pork into my pot. Mix that around. And I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. At this point, you want to salt and pepper your pork, and this is just to taste. Pork has been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add my tomato paste into my pot, and I'm going to mix that well. Now that our tomato paste is mixed well, we are going to add our peppers, our potatoes, and our carrots. And we are going to mix this well. And we are going to let this simmer on low for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so the carrots and the potatoes can soften. Now that our potatoes and our carrots are softened, we are going to add our lemon juice, our soy sauce, our bay leaves, our brown sugar, our white sugar, and our fish sauce. And we are going to mix this well. And we are going to let this simmer for another 5 minutes. At this point, we are going to put our 2 cups of water into our pot. We're going to stir this. And we're going to let this simmer for another 15 minutes. You will want to occasionally stir the pot. Now that our sauce has thickened slightly, we are going to add our hot dogs, our peas, our garbanzo beans, and our raisins. We're going to add all that to our pot. We're going to mix well. And we want to simmer this on low for about 5 minutes so we can warm up all those ingredients. Now that all of our ingredients are warmed up and our sauce is nice and thick, it is time to plate. Filipino menudo is traditionally served with white rice. On a cold, snowy, or rainy day, and you're looking for something to warm you within, this recipe is for you. Don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you would like to see me cook next. Thank you.